Hello and welcome. Some of you have already written their Jamb examination. The Jamb examination finally started on Saturday, 14th of March 2020. And if you're following the communication in our WhatsApp group, you'll be hearing about the likely questions and the experiences of some of the people that have already written, especially people that wrote on Saturday. If you are not in our WhatsApp group, check the description part of this video. You will see a link to our WhatsApp group. Make sure that you're there so that you can communicate with other students on their experiences and better prepare for yours. Here in Tclassified.com, we'll try to coach students on the best possible ways that they can prepare and write their Jamb. We are starting our next Jamb lesson immediately after this Jamb, so you can come to us, get registered. We have special platform for online learning, our WhatsApp groups. Make sure that you get in touch with us so that you can learn. You start in time to learn, so that you can prepare very well. If you have younger ones that are in SS2, SS1, that might be writing next year, it's good you tell them about us. Tclassified.com. They can send us hi on WhatsApp so that we'll get them added to the WhatsApp group, and we'll bring lectures to them anywhere they are in Nigeria. You can also come to our lesson venue in Abuja here and get added.
This
Very important, so that they can follow up effectively. We are having our Jamb and Jamb classes. They are starting immediately after you must have written Jamb. If you're interested in Jamb and Jamb, better register with us. Our lessons are very effective if you're preparing for WAEC, NAPTEB, NECO, Jamb, Jamb and Jamb. Just get in touch with me so that I will give you more details on all these programs. My phone number is 070 671 62698. My phone number is again 070 671 62698. If you're calling from outside of Nigeria, you can get in touch with us with the number plus 234 70 671 62698. Please hit the subscribe button by the right hand side of the screen so that anytime we release any video, you'll be the first to see them. Our videos are very good for students. If you want us to help you in your assignments and your projects for university students, you can also get in touch with me with the phone number that I've already given. The major mission of Tclassified.com is to get education to every nook and cranny of the world, considering and focusing on in Nigeria. Please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.